Please wait. Do you want to learn how to perform ablution? Then this video is for you. Make sure you share this so others can benefit. At the end of this video, I will teach you a supplication to say after ablution. If you say it, all the 8 gates of Jannah will be open for you. So let's start. The first thing you need to do is to make your intention the niyah. So make your intention that you are about to purify yourself so you can go and worship Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. There is no specific way to make intention, just make your intention. Now the second thing you need to do is to say Bismillah. Many scholars said that if you do not say Bismillah before performing ablution, your ablution will not be accepted. And that is right. Whatever you are doing, call the name of Allah upon it before you do it. And the second step is to start your ablution. Now, this is your bucket of water or whatever you call it, whatever container you use, right? Now we start. The first step is to wash your hand 3 times. Your hand to your wrist 3 times. You start with your right hand like this, right? You start, do it like this, right? You wash it properly. 1, 2. Are you seeing it? And again, 3. 3 times. Make sure you wash your hand to your wrist, this side, right? 3 times. Then the next step is to wash your mouth. That is to rinse your mouth, right? They call it the madmada. You rinse your mouth like this. You need to do it 3 times. Three times. After you finish, you inhale water in your nose and then sneeze it out like this. Right? Like this. Like this. 3 times. And then you wash your feet, right? From the forehead to your chin, this side. Right? Make sure the water touches every fold. Do it 3 times. 3 times, right? After you finish, then you go to your hand. Start with your right hand, right? From the wrist to the elbow, right? Like this. Like this. Are you seeing it? Are you seeing it? Then you go to the side, your left hand. Take it from your elbow to your wrist, right? From your elbow to your wrist. 3 times, right? Then after you finish, then you wipe your head, right? You wipe your head. Then you wipe your head once, right? Then after that, you may use that same hand, wet hand, to wipe your ear, or either you put water on it, no problem, right? If you use the same wet hand, you wipe your head with and wipe your ear, no problem. Like this, you use the index finger inside, right? And the thumb should be wiping outside like this. The index finger inside and the thumb should be outside like this. You do it 1. Then when you finish, you wash your right foot first, right? This side. This side. From the ankle here, in between your toes, then beneath, right? Okay. Then you go to the left foot, sorry. Then you go to the left foot, from the ankle to this side, and you stop it here. Then after you finish doing your ablution, then you say the supplication, which is the shahada, saying, Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wahdahu la sharika la wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan abduhu wa rasuluhu. Whosoever says this after performing ablution, all the 8 gates of Jannah will be open for him. Subhanallah. My beloved brothers and sisters, share this so others can learn how to perform ablution perfectly. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.